This is how I lost $180 today trading gold. Alright, so coming into today, I saw that we were in an uptrend today. Why were we in an uptrend? Because we closed above these highs right here, and we got a little retracement right here, and close up. We're in an uptrend still. We still maintain bullish structure. So I was looking for a buy in the market, and actually marked out these as my areas of liquidity. I marked out these highs. I marked out this low, and I was waiting for 9:30 for price to open, and I will see which area price was drawing to. And coming into today, we saw that price was going into this liquidity, and we got a 5-minute retracement. And then coming into market open, we saw that we swept the liquidity, and then we got a retracement down. And okay, so this is where I made my error. I made a bunch of errors today actually, and I was very emotional today. I'm going to give you that. I was very emotional in my trading, and normally I shouldn't make mistakes like this, but I started off the week badly. So I guess this is what is affecting my psychology. But I think I'm done for the week. Depends. But I'm definitely going to be risking less until I make back my profits. But yeah. So I saw that there was a 5-minute retracement coming after we swept liquidity right here. I went on to my 1-minute time frame, and this was the first trade that I actually took. Let me just clear off this. So coming in, I saw that coming into my macro at 9:50. I saw we closed above this high right here, and we got an inverse fair value gap right here, because we closed above this fair value gap, and that's an inverse fair value gap. So I was thinking I would have taken my trade off this, and what I actually did, I kind of entered early, and this is how I got burnt, because I saw the inverse fair value gap. I thought price was going to just come back down into it, and immediately we will see buying pressure out of it, but that was not the case today. So I entered my position. I put my, where did I put it? Wait, hold on, this magnet tool. So I entered my position, and I put my stop right here behind this fair value gap, and beyond the fair value gap, and I was targeting what I was targeting. Let me show you guys what I was targeting. I was targeting this bearish fair value gap right here. I was targeting the start of it, because I was saying if price is going to go higher, it's more than likely going to want to seek out this fair value gap right here. And that's what I did. I targeted that, but unfortunately I got stopped out, and this was looking like a very good trade to me, honestly, because it actually was not like this. Hold on. It was more like this. Yeah, so this was looking like a very good trade to me, honestly, and I was saying, yeah, nothing can go wrong. I put my stop right here, and this is what I was thinking, and I was expecting price to give me pressure out of it, but this is why I put my stop right here, because there was a fair value gap right here as well. But as you see, we completely got invalidated right here. Price completely tore through that fair value gap, and I got stopped out. And losing one time was not enough for me, so I said, let me come back in, because I see that I was just hell bent on my bias that price was going to go higher. And this is the thing with it. a lot of the days where I take my losses are I have gut feelings for the day where I say, you know, this doesn't look like a good setup. And it's like I just don't trust it. It's like I just have an addiction to trading where I just have to place a trade every day. But I really going to break this habit and I'm going to make it a point. So this is going to be my first upload on YouTube. So I'm going to hold myself a little bit more accountable and you know I'm not going over trade. So I took a second trade based off the same idea when I saw price came down and I saw that price broke structure again coming up. I saw that it did that and honestly I believe for this second trade I put my stop right here and I put my stop like right here and honestly I kind of came out early because I was saying you know I didn't even put my position correctly so it's like I was losing way more than I was expecting so I just decided to come out of the trade early rather than take a full loss. And that was a good decision to me, but the better decision was to just step away from my computer and not take the second trade. But that's how it is. And I really said I wasn't going to make the mistake again this week. I made it on I think Monday, and I make it again on Wednesday. So I really know that I'm going to get burned from this now. So I really not going to do this mistake again. But I have to really just be disciplined and that's how I'm going to really see progress in my journey. But yeah, I took a loss right here because I believe I would have put my stop right here, but I still didn't get the win. But this is what I should have done based on my strategy though. So coming into today, we saw that price swept out this liquidity right here. This is 9:30 liquidity, nine like market open liquidity. We saw price swept it out. I could have went on my 1 minute and I could have used this fair value gap right here because it very much got respected and I saw many times where I could have entered on this fair value gap. We saw the breaker structure. We got the inverse fair value gap again. We got one right here and we got another one right here. So you know, basically the same idea, but you know, just on a different time. I should have waited until 10 o'clock news and 10:30 news. But this is what I would have targeted, and as you see, I hit that target. But unfortunately, I did not enter the trade, and I wasn't going to enter a third trade. So I guess I kind of know that 2 trades is my limit, but I want to break it down to 1 trade now. So I know I'm not going to enter 3 times, but 2 times I open to that. But I'm not going to be open to it anymore going forward because, you know, I don't have to make money today. You can make money tomorrow and other days. You don't have to be in one day, and I don't want to force a trade. So this was my error today. This is the trade I should have taken. I should have taken the trade on. I entered off the breaker structure, the fair value gap. I saw that it got respected 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. And this is the trade I should have taken today based on my strategy. But again, you win some, you lose some. But that's my trade recap for January 8th, 2025. Friday, we have NFP news, so definitely going to stay out of the market for the rest of the week. So yeah, this is my trade recap.